Hello YouTube and welcome back to another basic but essential video. Now in my previous video we saw how Photoshop can be used to seamlessly remove pimples or almost anything from your pictures. But I realize not everyone wants to spend that amount of time transferring the picture to your laptop, then opening up Photoshop and then edit and save and then transfer it back to your phone to use. It can be a hectic process. Not to mention Photoshop ain't free. In the current pace of the digitalizing world, everything needs to be quick. So, to make things easier for you, here's a tutorial on how to remove pimples on your phone for free. All you need to do is download this app right here, Pics. It's a very popular app, so I would not be surprised if you already have it downloaded. So as with any editing app, open up your image into it. At the bottom, you'll see different editing options. Tap on Beauty. Now scroll a bit to the left and tap on Blemish Fix. Zoom into the picture to see the pimples properly. Choose the brush option and select your desired size. Now start tapping on where you want to apply it. This tool is quite similar to the spot healing brush tool of Photoshop, but unlike the Photoshop tool, this might not work on all types of pictures. It is best for high quality pictures and for removing blemishes from your faces. Anything else and it might not work, so there's that. But for your quick use and being readily available on your phone, it's a very good option. As you can see, the blemish fix really does the job. It's seamless and looks natural too. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe for more. Adios.